You. Really?
Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the new Nintendo Switch Red Edition. So the difference between this one and the original is that the new one itself has been improved in battery. So it's a bit more than double, anywhere from 7 to 8 hours of battery lasting now, where the original one was around 3 hours. So other than that, how do you tell that you've picked up the correct Nintendo Switch? So you will get a unique code that differentiates it from the old one. And other than that, you can tell by the box itself. So the new one is all red box, where the old one was half white and half red. And so that's about it in terms of telling the difference. So let's just open it up. So to open it up, you just pull the tabs down and then lift the lid up. So as you can tell, I picked the original Joy-Con blue and red. So once you open it up, you're introduced to the Nintendo Switch portable console itself. The two Joy-Cons for the left and right. Let's just take this out, put it to one side. Other than that, what else do you get? So on the right hand side, you get the docking. Comes in very good packaging so it doesn't get damaged. So as you can see here, the Nintendo Switch logo is on it, and it portable screen just docks into here like so. So let's just leave that to another side. In the center, they give you the Nintendo Switch controller. So this itself allows the two remotes on the side there to dock in, and you can use it as a single controller. That's quite cool. I like the all black gloss look. So on the top and bottom, you get the straps for each player, or you can strap it onto each hand, which is pretty cool. And then you get your Nintendo Switch important information. You get your HDMI to HDMI port. This should be HDMI 2.0 or 3.0. And then you get your power brick, which is Type C, which is pretty good. So you can use pretty much any Type C wire as long as it has enough volts in the plug socket itself. So yeah, you get your Type C. So let's just move this to one side. So now looking at the actual switch itself, the tab on the side, you just pull out the screen. So when you first take it out, it's just a plain screen. I think there might be a screen protector on it, I'm not too sure, can't tell. And then you get the Nintendo Switch logo. So this is an all aluminum screen body. Feels really nice. It's got the vents at the bottom, which I'm guessing is the speaker grills as well. You got another vent up here. You have your volume toggle and your power button on the side. You have your game card slot on the left hand side. If you just pull like so, you put your game cartridge in there. You have your 3.5mm headphone jack, which is pretty cool. This is the adaptation prongs for the Joy-Cons or joysticks. USB Type-C at the bottom. And that's about it. It's just a screen. Let's see if there's any juice, guys. Hold the power button. So as you can tell, it's starting up. And now it's going to tell you to put your Joy-Cons into it. So we'll leave this to one side for now. Then you get your Joy-Cons out. So this is the left Joy-Con. It's in a nice blue matte texture. Looks really nice. Get your normal buttons, your triggers, your L1, R1, sorry, L1, L2, and your directional keys, and the Joy-Con itself. So it looks pretty cool. Same with the right. It looks slightly orange to me, but it's meant to be red. Not sure what that is on top. And you have your home button, your Joy-Cons, and your directional. So you have your Y, X, A, B. So to connect the Joy-Cons, you just need to slot it in. Like so. And you get a little sound notification. So once you've slotted it in, it will load up. And then it will just go through the setting up process, guys. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and thumbs up would be great. Peace out.